Florida isn't just sinking in headlines, it's literally sinking beneath our feet. Picture this. You wake up one morning, shuffle outside in your slippers, and instead of finding your driveway, you're staring at a puddle that wasn't there yesterday. Since 1950, sea levels here have risen almost 8 inches, but what makes it truly bone-chilling is the acceleration. Around Miami, the water now climbs roughly an inch every 3 years. That's not science fiction, that's your backyard turning into a swimming pool on Mother Nature's schedule. NASA experts predict another 10 to 12 inches by 2050. Basically, 3 decades will deliver the same punishment it once took a full century to unleash. And in worst-case projections, try 7 feet by the end of this century. 7 feet isn't just a soggy sidewalk, it's entire neighborhoods erased like chalk drawings before a summer storm. On Florida's pancake-flat terrain, even a small rise becomes a disaster multiplier. A couple of inches can morph quiet cul-de-sacs into mosquito breeding grounds, or playgrounds into soggy marshes where swings rust and slide. Rails stick out like abandoned skeletons. Miami Beach already spends tens of millions each year running pumps 24 hours a day, just to keep the streets drivable. Imagine paying taxes not for schools or healthcare, but for giant vacuums fighting an ocean that laughs at your electricity bill. Saltwater intrusion cracks concrete, corrodes pipes, and leaves once fresh wells tasting like brine. It's not just a nuisance, it's the ocean sneakily repossessing the land, deed by deed. For everyday Floridians, this isn't some academic graph tucked in a government report. It's water in the garage, water in the streets, water in the very thought of their children's future. The sea used to be a view, blue horizon, family fishing trips, a place for Sunday barbecues. Now it lurks like a predator pacing the edge of the yard, inching closer with every tide. And the question that nobody dares to voice at the dinner table is the one that haunts the state. What if Florida's fight against the sea is already lost, and we're just paying rent to the ocean until eviction day comes? Homes on borrowed time. Forget Hollywood disaster movies. Florida's flood maps already sketch out a slow-motion apocalypse. Vast swaths of the state perch barely above sea level, a cruel design flaw that makes even a heavy rainstorm feel like a dress rehearsal for evacuation. Within the next 30 years, around 64,000 Florida homes are projected to flood every other week. Not once in a decade, not even once a year. Every other week. Picture retirees in Tampa taping down sandbags twice a month, or families in Miami swishing through knee-deep water just to get the kids to school. By 2100, over 1 million homes, housing several million people. Maybe chronically inundated, neighborhoods permanently marinated in seawater like forgotten pickles in a jar.